All right, let's get straight to it. If you don't want to watch the rest of the video and you have some basic mechanical skills, screenshot this, do what it says, and this will fix all of your charging issues. It does not matter what brand of voltage regulator you use, they're all the same. Just make sure you get the pigtail with the blue and green pieces on it and follow this and you'll be good. You're completely bypassing the computer or the PCM or whatever. So if you follow this, that is pretty much what I'm going to be explaining. All right, now for the rest of you that want me to show you how to do it, very simple. So you're going to be using your factory Dodge alternator. You're not going to be using those stupid internal regulator conversion kits or the one wire alternator dealios, because if you're out in the middle of buck nowhere and you break down and there's only one part store, they're probably not going to have those special parts that you need in order to get back on the road. So what we want to do is use the factory alternator. On the factory alternator, there's going to be a ground wire going straight to the block. There's going to be a power wire that goes straight to the battery, and that's the charging wire. Those are the two thick black ones. And then there's going to be a green wire and a blue wire. The green wire is going to go straight to your voltage regulator, like that. And like I said, it doesn't matter what brand of voltage regulator you use. Don't listen to the people that say that you need a special one or whatever. They're all the same. It's all about how you hook them up, and that's it. Blue wire comes off the alternator. I have it right here. It tees off, so it goes into your voltage regulator. But then this wire right here goes to your battery, and so that it's getting an exact reading of what your battery is at all the time. Now you have to put it on a relay so that when you turn the key on, the relay closes and then the circuit closes, and then you're getting exact measurements or whatever, volts from the battery. Now, if you just put this straight to the battery without a relay or key power, you're gonna kill your battery, because these voltage regulators do draw a couple amps or whatever. So overnight it will kill your battery, and I know this from experience. So this wire that goes straight to your battery, make sure you put it on key power. So that when you turn the key on, then this all turns on. The last thing you're gonna wanna do is run a ground wire, which is this one, or wherever you want, it doesn't matter where you hook it up, straight from the case of your voltage regulator to the ground on your battery. Very important. The main reason these things fail, and I've seen them melt, I've seen them cause so many issues, melt entire wiring harnesses from overcharging, is because there's not grounded out properly. You can see how the previous owner, he grounded it out over here or whatever, like to the firewall. But don't goof around with that. Just put this wire right here straight to the negative post in your battery. And I can promise you guys, this will solve all of your charging issues. You're not gonna wreck anything, because pretty much what we're doing is bypassing the computer. All of your gauges are still gonna work, your volt gauge is still gonna work, everything's gonna work, and we are getting rid of all the useless crap that you don't need, AKA electronics in the computer over there. So, that is all you need to know. Screenshot that wiring diagram that I showed you at the beginning. I'll show it to you again right now, and you're on your way. Just do exactly what I have outlined here, and you will have no problems, I promise.